श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। श्रीमदनंता श्री विभूषिता पललक्ष्मी नरसिंहराज जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्री विजयी भव। श्रीविद्याधरिराधसुरेखा श्रीराखीधर श्रीपाद जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव। माता सुमती वात्सल्यामृतपरिपोषित जय श्रीपाद जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव। सत्यऋषीश्वर दुहितानंदन बापनार्यनुत श्रीचरण जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव। सवित्रकाठकचयन पुण्यफल भरद्वाज ऋषिगोत्र संभव जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव। दो चौपाती देव लक्ष्मी घन संख्या बोधित श्रीचरण जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव। पुण्यरूपिणी राजमाम्बसुत गर्भ पुण्यफल संजात जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव। सुमती नंदन नरहरिनंदन दत्तदेव प्रभु श्रीपाद जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव। पीठिका पुरा नित्य विहारा मधुमति दत्ता मंगलरूपा जय विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव श्रीमदखंडा श्रीविजयी भव।
Salam everyone, this is Amarka Kishore. Divine blessings of Sri Sai to all. As you know, last year Guru Purnima we started Koti Pranam Sripada, an initiative with Swami asked us to organize from 2020 Guru Purnima to 2021 Guru Purnima. So it is chanting of Siddhamangala Stotram 1 crore times. So as part of this, all participants daily they will be chanting 11 times of Siddhamangala Stotram, and in a week they will be chanting 77 times minimum. So we successfully completed 50 weeks of chanting as of 19th June 2021, and we completed 92 lakh times of Siddhamangala Stotram chanting. So in the next 5 weeks we have to complete the remaining 8 lakh times of Siddhamangala Stotram. Okay. So we request everybody to invite more and more Guru Bandhus to join this initiative, and also if you are already part of this initiative, please increase the counts. It is instead of daily doing 11 times, please make it 12, 13, 14, 15, whatever it is, increase the counts so that we will not be having any problem, or we will not have anything missing in the last week. Okay, so the last week it ends on 24th July 2021, which is the Guru Purnima, and we are completing 51st week on 26th June. So this week we will be getting 1.5 lakhs or something. So overall our target is to reach 1 crore times. Okay, so requesting everybody to chant more and more times of Siddhamangala Stotram every day, and also invite other Guru Bandhus who are not part of Koti Pranam Sripada, because this initiative was started last year, and Swami knows how the world is going to be, and we also have seen the destruction the COVID is still creating, right? So definitely the world needs prayers, the world needs mass prayers, the world needs Swami's grace, Swami's blessings. Okay, and also one of our participant, Eric sir from Canada, he actually initially when he joined, he was talking to me and he explained like why Swami gave us a message to do Koti Pranam Sripada. Okay, because as per him, an important transformation is taking place in the world between 2000 and 2030, which changes intensifying in the current period. Okay, so in the current period, the changes are getting intensified. So an important transformation is going to happen. And for those interested in Vedic astrology, the presentation by PVR Narasimha Rao on YouTube with predictions about these changes are, and 2021 in particular will be of interest. So he posted a video as well, and he shared a link about Koti Pranam Shripada. So this period is very important for all of us. So that's why we should be always chanting, whether it is Siddhamangala Stotram or Om Sai Shri Sai, Jai Jai Sai, whatever. We should be always doing Namasmaran. We should be part of Parayans. We should be part of spiritual activities. We should be under the divine control to get ourselves protected. Okay, so one such blessing Swami has given to us is Koti Pranam Shripada. So we request everybody to chant more and more times. I know everyone chanting minimum 11 times, but increase the count so that we will reach our target in the 54th week itself instead of waiting till 55th week. And also we request everybody to invite other Guru Bandhus who are not part of Koti Pranam Shripada. Okay, so we will be pasting the link in this video description so that you can share that link with other Sai Bandhus, other Guru Bandhus. Okay, so it is very simple. We need to chant Siddhamangala Stotram minimum 11 times every day. Okay, so this initiative, it ends on 24th July 2021, which is Guru Purnima day. Okay, requesting all Guru Bandhus to be part of it, and requesting all Guru Bandhus to spread the word about it and complete the initiative as blessed by Swami. Okay, so Swami asked us to chant 1 crore times. So we definitely will be chanting more than 1 crore times, because this is the divine instructions of Swami which we are following. Requesting everyone once again, please chant more times. Don't stick yourself to 11 times a day. Please increase the counts, and also please spread the word. Make many Guru Bandhus join us so that we can complete 1 crore times as planned. Okay. Once again, divine blessings of Sri Sai to all. Sri Sai Nath Paripurna Kripa Kataksha Siddhirastu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam everyone. Thank you.
श्री विद्याधरि राध सुरेखा श्री राखीधर श्रीपाद